Describe a job that you think is interesting. What is it? Why do you think it is interesting? How do you know it? What necessary skills does it need? It is becoming so tough to get job in our country. All types first class government job are lucrative and interesting also. Today I would like to talk about one special and interesting profession, and I considered this profession from my childhood. This profession is teaching profession. When I was a student of class 5, one day one of my teacher entered into our class and they told us, please tell me about your future plan. On that time I replied to him, in future I want to be a great teacher, and I want to teach the student as like you, because teaching is a noble profession, and by the teaching profession you can apply skills and knowledge, and you can share your ideas, opinions, and etc. And teaching, however, teaching is not only the profession. In fact, it is a great way to serve the nation. By the teaching profession you cannot only teach the other students or any other, you can also learn something new from anyone. To become a great teacher, I think I have to ensure some skills. When I want to teach any students, I have to deliver new things, so I stay on the continuous learning process and always try to explore new things and try to teach new ideas with the students.